Okay.
Frontal, parietal, occipital, temporal, zygomatic, maxilla, nasal, lacrimal. Coronal suture, sagittal suture, lambdoidal suture, squamosal suture. Frontal squama, glabella, superciliary ridge, supraorbital foramen, infraorbital foramen, optic foramen, superior orbital fissure, inferior orbital fissure, internasal suture, nasobones, lacrimal bone and duct, perpendicular plate of the ethmoid, vomer, inferior nasal conchae, middle nasal conchae, intermaxillary suture, alveolar margin, zygomatical facial foramen, zygomatic arch, zygomatic process of the temporal bone, temporal process of the zygomatic bone, squamosal suture, temporal squama, external cusic meatus, styloid process, mastoid process. Cristigale, cribriform plate, olfactory foramina, lesser wings, greater wings, sella turcica, anterior clinoid process, optic chiasm, hypophyseal fossa, posterior clinoid process, dorsum celli, petrous portion, internal cusic meatus, carotid groove, anterior, middle, and posterior cranial fossa, incisive foramen, median palatine suture, transverse palatine suture, palatine process of the maxilla, horizontal plate of the palatine, greater and lesser palatine foramen, vomer, pterygoid process, foramen lacerum, foramen ovale, foramen spinosum, carotid canal, jugular foramen, styloid process, mastoid process, stylomastoid foramen, occipital condyles, hypoglossal canal, foramen magnum, condyloid process, external occipital protuberance, nuchal line. This is the body of the mandible, mental foramen, alveolar margin, mandibular angle, mandibular notch, mandibular ramus, coronoid process, condyloid process, mandibular foramen, mylohyoid line.